Welcome to my channel, where I share lots of recipes, tips and business strategies for aromatherapists, reflexologists and other holistic therapists. This is the first episode in a mini-series about powerful vegetable oils which can be used alongside essential oils. And today I'm going to talk about extra virgin olive oil. To get notifications when I create a new video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. What I'm going to cover today are the different types of olive oil, which one is best and why. The powerful benefits of extra virgin olive oil. Why warming extra virgin olive oil makes it even more powerful. I'll tell you a story about how extra virgin olive oil helped to ease arthritis in minutes, and how to use extra virgin olive oil in your treatments to enhance them and to get better value for your clients, better results for your clients. If you don't know me, hello. My name is Jenny. I'm a holistic therapist and educator with over 20 years experience. I've trained several hundred successful aromatherapists with in-person and online training. I can help you go from a beginner to a certified aromatherapist in just 6 months with online accredited courses. I also help holistic therapists to boost their income. I teach about treatment upgrades, practical marketing, extra income streams and more. And I like learning that is fun and practical. So my teaching style makes it easy, even if you haven't studied in years. So, first of all, what is the difference between the different types of olive oil? Extra virgin olive oil comes from the first pressing of the olives. It's the richest in therapeutic properties. The downside is it's quite sticky, it's hard to work with, and it has an aroma that some people don't like. A way around this is to mix it with another more liquid oil, such as maybe sweet almond oil or grapeseed. Virgin olive oil comes from the second pressing of the olives. It's a lighter oil, easier to work with, but it has fewer therapeutic properties than the extra virgin olive oil. It does have an aroma, it's not as marked as the extra virgin olive oil. Pure olive oil the term is so misleading. Pure olive oil is produced from the leftover olives from all around the world. It's produced at a high heat of over 70 degrees, and if you heat anything to 70 degrees or over, it basically eliminates most, if not all, of the therapeutic properties. So pure olive oil, it doesn't have much of an aroma, it's a light oil, it's easy to work with, but if you're looking for the therapeutic properties, it's not going to be any use to you. When you're buying extra virgin olive oil, I do highly recommend extra virgin olive oil. There's no need to spend a fortune. You don't need to go to a health food shop and like Holland and Barrett or whatever and spend a lot of money. The extra virgin olive oil that you get in your supermarkets is just as good, if not better, than what you'd find in a health store, because it's food grade, it's made for consumption, which means it has to meet very high safety standards. As a rule of thumb, the people who make natural products say that if you can't eat it, you shouldn't put it on your skin, because what you put on your skin will eventually end out in your bloodstream. So let's go on to the properties of extra virgin olive oil. It is such a powerful oil. It's anti-inflammatory and pain-killing, so it helps with muscle pain, muscle tension, headaches, arthritis. and it's very helpful for clients who have chronic pain conditions. If you warm extra virgin olive oil, you get an even more powerful effect. Because one of the reasons why extra virgin olive oil is so powerful for pain is that it boosts the circulation, as in makes the blood move more quickly through your system. And as it does that, it takes away the waste products that cause pain, and it delivers nutrients that help to ease pain. So warming it is very powerful. To warm olive oil, don't put it in a microwave or a pot. The best way to do it is to have a bowl of warm water and then put the olive oil that you want to use into a smaller container and put that into the bowl of warm water, making sure the water doesn't actually go into the olive oil, and just leave it there for a few minutes until it's the right temperature. What I find very helpful when I'm giving a treatment, when I have my olive oil and I'll have it mixed with another oil, I have them together in a bottle, and I put the bottle into a cup of warm water and then bring that into the therapy room with me, so it'll keep it warm during the treatment. So I mentioned earlier that olive oil worked wonders for somebody who had arthritis. I was giving a student a lift into a class one time, and she was saying that her knees were sore. And I didn't realise before, but she had arthritis in her knees. So I said to her, look, tonight, don't do the massage. Just watch everyone else doing it, and that'll help you anyway, but don't try and do the massage, because when you do a massage, you're using your body weight, and I didn't want her to have any more pain than she already did. The only thing I had with me at the time was a bottle of olive oil, and it was just an ordinary, just cold olive oil. So she rubbed some onto her knees, and that was grand. We went into the class and did some theory, and then the massage started. And I looked around, and there she was doing the massage, and really using her body weight and leaning into her knees, and I was thinking, oh, what are you doing? I said to her, listen, don't be doing the massage tonight. I don't want your knees to get any more sore than they already are. She says, Jenny, you won't believe it. The pain in my knees is completely gone. So obviously with anything, with natural treatments or holistic therapies, you can't say that that is going to be the result that every single person with arthritis is going to get. But it's fairly common, it's very, very typical. I've used it like that several times. So using olive oil in your treatments, as I mentioned earlier, if you're going to use it for massage or reflexology, blend it with a lighter oil. So maybe 50-50 extra virgin olive oil and sweet almond oil. And sweet almond oil I'll discuss in a later episode that also has some very good pain-killing properties. And it's great for clients who have muscle tension, stiff neck and shoulders, backache, arthritis, digestive discomfort, pain in general. It's also great for natural facials. Extra virgin olive oil nourishes the skin, it's moisturising and it's cleansing. It's an absolutely fantastic makeup remover, even for waterproof mascara. It gently dissolves makeup without using harsh chemicals. So if you're going to use it at home, you don't need to use those makeup wipes anymore, and the makeup wipes are full of E numbers. All you do, if you're using it in a treatment or for yourself, is apply a few drops to a cotton pad and then use that to wipe away the makeup. And then you can tone it with witch hazel or rose water. If you're going to use it at home last thing at night, I'd recommend that you actually just use it as a cleanser and then don't tone, just leave it on your skin, because it's so good for your skin. So I hope you liked that. I hope you found it informative. And if you'd like to know more about using beautiful natural vegetable oil in products or in your treatments, check out my Aromatherapy skincare course, and I've included the link in the show notes just below. And the beauty of this course is that it covers essential oils as well as natural vegetable oils, and even if you're not an aromatherapist, you'll be able to use the recipes covered in the course. So it's a certified course. The next episode is about an oil that a 20th century psychic called the miracle oil, with very good reason, and there is just such a fascinating story around that. But that's all in the next episode. So thanks a million for listening, and I'll see you for the next one. Bye. And as I mentioned, if you prefer to read instead, check out my blog post, which also includes the podcast episode and the video. Thanks a million for listening, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.